Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge. Guys, today is the day of the 2026 Midwest Firewood Frenzy at Wolfe Ridge. We are walking into the wood yard right now, and I'm going to give you guys a tour. This all turned out really good. Everybody at the factory here pulled together. We got a whole bunch of our industry friends here as well, and we have quite the display. I wanted to get some video this morning before everything gets real crazy. It's just a touch after 8 a.m. and we've already got a bunch of people here. Right when you walk in, you can see our Rammy stuff. Got a Rammy tent made. We got the Rammy products there. Japa 365 Basic. Pro right behind it, 315 behind that. We have got 4 Wolfe Ridge smokeless fire rings going because of course it is a bit chilly today. And Matt found a rocket wood, so he's got that going. Got the tent set up over here. Food truck will be over there a little bit later today. And quite the spread of machines here from Wolfe Ridge and from our import friends. 17 VSC, 28cc, IC16 with the wheel kit. Guys, we got this thing loaded up. Feeding a 35 SHO diesel box wedge into an FC16 going into a dump trailer. So this wood will not touch the ground. It's going to go in here, splitter, trailer. Japa 395 with the 471 rack. Guys, this is a used machine and it is available at the time of this video. And this is a fast machine. Do up to 16-inch diameter. This is a brand new rack. We could put whatever rack you wanted with this machine. 42 XDI over here. This is our first XDI on display with the Honda gas engine power plant. And as you can see, we were pushing some stuff through the 16 way using that IGX 800 and the 38 GPM pump. This is some big stuff, guys. Look at, here's my hand for comparison. Push through design wedge. A lot of people have been asking, what do you do to get the wood out of here? Well, the next piece will always push this stuff through. And when you're done splitting for the day, you take some done pieces and you focus them on each window, clean it out and move on with life. Over here, we got some more Wolfe Ridge. We've got 28C with Power Beyond. That's our first one with Power Beyond. 28 Pro X, 22 RS, 17 XS in blue, another 28 Pro X. Got the fire rings going. I don't even have this 36-inch on the website yet, but it is alive and well, and it will burn, boy, probably almost a face cord an hour. Generates a ton of heat. Of course, we've got a bunch of rounds over here. Gonna disperse these, get them over to different machines. Got a gray 17 VS over here. And perfect for some of these ugly, you know, we got some really nice rounds over there. Those are gonna make really nice firewood. And this stuff is perfect for the vertical because you can split around the garbage like this. We can split around that rotted part and get a lot of good firewood out of the rest of that ring. Olive green 28HO. This is that RAL 6003. Looks really good. This one has the optional oil cooler on it. Over here, 365 Pro. Some of our YouTube friends. Morning. More over here. Morning, guys.
Morning.
Split of 400. The first split of 400 with the gas engine. And I think I'm going to start it and let it warm up. Turn the key on. Let the fuel pump prime. Let that go. Guys, it is like 30 degrees, so it started pretty nice. Fires, David's right there. David, morning. Another FR36 here, FR30 right here. Matt found a rocket wood, a miniature rocket wood. See how that goes today. Got a whole bunch of kindling here, keep those fires going. Mike from Northern Woodsmen is here, and our friend Matt from Minnesota is here with a new product, his rotating pallet forks. I will put his, I've had a lot of people ask me about those rotating pallet forks, and I'm gonna put his information in the description or the comments for this video so that people can get in contact with them, but these things look awesome. SS3036 skid steer splitter, Wolfe Ridge grapple bucket, Versa split 2224 in red, Versa split 2224 in black, and Union Trailer let us use this Whacker mini skid steer in order to run that Versa. We'll have some coverage of that a little bit later today. I'll put information in the description as well for Mike from Northern Woodsmen. He's got all kinds of firewood packaging stuff and a bunch more he's getting set up here. Here's the trailer that Union Trailer brought with that mini skid. It's a pretty sweet trailer. It's got a tilt deck and pretty low to the ground. Brent Carlson from Around the Yard brought his 17V SPB. RAL 6005 moss green. Guys, it looks really good and it matches the Fuelwood kindlet. And this machine we will be splitting wood with and making kindling with, all on the same engine. So that's pretty cool. Power Beyond is awesome on there. Back behind here, Kindlet Pro. This is a TRH version, so it runs off tractor hydraulics. We're actually running it off of the Wolfe Power Pack. So this thing is awesome. These will make a ton of mini firewood or kindling, depending on how you got it set up. Right now we're set up for 8-inch lengths. And something new from our friends in the UK, guys. This is a prototype. Pricing won't be live for a little while yet, and I cannot move this until fall. We're gonna be doing a whole lot of content with this machine. Splitter 400 has been done for a while. This is the Splitter 600, and yes, it will do 16-inch lengths. X-blade wedge and a max diameter 21 inches here and 24 inches right there. It is a beast. All right, there's a walkthrough of what we got going on at the Frenzy here today. I'm gonna try to get a bunch of coverage of machines running. I know it's gonna be a busy day. We got a whole bunch of people here already. I'm gonna get to work. We're gonna split some wood. Got the 42 XDI warming up right now. It's like 30 degrees here right now, so she's a little cold. Norm is cleaning out the wedge. People often ask about the push-through wedge, and the reason we're cleaning it out right now is to actually show how everything flowers. So we're gonna get it cleaned out, and then we're gonna put a fresh piece in there to show you what this thing looks like going through the 16 way. almost lunchtime at the Frenzy. Got the fires rolling nicely.
That's my goal.
Got quite the turnout today. I have to say, hey, thanks for coming, guys. Say thanks for everybody coming, man. We're gonna have Paco. We're gonna have lunch pretty soon here. Got fires going over here. Hey, and looks like Craig and Britt are running the 17 XS. Small splits. Well, the Frenzy's dying down. I tried to get some B-roll of machines running throughout the day here. It was very busy. We had a very good day. Even with the weather, it went very well. So Jeremiah's over here running the 365 Pro Perfect Split. I'm gonna get some footage of that for you guys real quick. Made a pretty decent pile with the IBC totes. Overfilled them a little bit. This was all run on the Perfect Split in that 365. Want to show you what we made with the Split of 400 over here. This entire 5x10 trailer is filled with 12-inch length, small split, hickory, and oak. And this stuff turned out really nice. Look at the split sizes we got here. This is all hickory kind of in the front here, and then we got some oak towards the back. But this is all going to be like barbecue wood, and it really didn't take much time to fill that 5x10. You can see there's another full split round ready to come out of there and go up that conveyor. That belt conveyor worked really nice. Split of 600. We had a few totes already done with the split of 600. There's some stuff on the ground here, and there's some of it right there. Some more of it in this tote, and I think a couple of the other totes got put away already. We ran the 28cc a little bit, not a whole lot. Got some wood over here, more wood in this IBC tote. You can see that one was hand stacked a long time ago. This is fresh from today. 17 VSC was parked here. That 28cc at the time of this video is still available. It might end up going with us to the International Expo for pickup at that show. So something to keep in mind. See that 3x3 box wedge machine with the IC16 and the FC16. Got a bunch of wood in this trailer. Small splits, guys. Look at the size of this stuff. Perfect bundle wood. Ran a little bit through the Japa today. See some right there. Japa 395 here. Guys, that's still available. First time with the 42 XDI with the IGX 800 engine, running the 16-way wedge. Put a bunch of stuff through that. Makes nice split sizes. And where we had all the other splitters, they are now gone. Bunch of stuff left today. If you picked up a machine today from here, thank you very much from all of us here at Wolfe Ridge. It was a great day. A lot of people, new people joining the Wolfe Ridge family. Some people adding more to their wood yard, and more small splits here. They did this with that 17 XS. So we got some cleanup in the yard to do here now. Later this week, we'll pick up some of these piles so we don't end up with all these piles here for cleanup for next year's Firewood Frenzy. And I'm not sure what the date will be yet for that show. It was cold here today. April seemed to be a good time schedule-wise. We had a really good turnout, better than last year. And so we'll probably keep it in the month of April and just hope for better weather. It was colder today. Now, of course, blue skies and the sun is coming out, but it was much better than rain. If you'd like more information on any of the Wolfe Ridge products, the Japa products, Fuelwood, Rammy, including pricing, tech specs, photos, videos, dealer locator, event schedule, and more, please check out our website, www.wolferidgemfg.com. You can give us a call or send us an email. Guys, the next show is Vermont, the Northern Logger show. We will be in Vermont with Jesse from New England Wood Splitter. We'll have some Wolfe Ridge there. We'll have some Japa there. It's going to be a good time, and it's only 2 weeks away, I believe. That is in the event schedule, and I will leave a link for that in the description of this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for the support. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge.